As 3I Atlas approached its closest point to our sun, astronomers noticed something unusual. The interstellar visitor wasn't behaving like a typical comet. When 3I Atlas was first detected in 2022, it appeared to be just another interstellar object passing through our solar system, traveling at 58 kilometers per second on a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning it would never return. Scientists classified it as a comet based on its developing coma, the cloud of gas and dust surrounding its nucleus. But as advanced telescopes gathered more data, inconsistencies emerged. The object's chemical signature showed unexpected complexities. The carbon dioxide levels fluctuated in patterns that couldn't be explained by normal outgassing processes. Infrared signatures revealed thermal properties inconsistent with a naturally formed body. By early 2025, a minority of researchers proposed an alternative hypothesis. What if 3I Atlas wasn't just a comet, but something engineered? What if it originated from the galaxy's thick disk, home to stars billions of years older than our sun, sent by civilizations that evolved long before Earth formed its first multicellular organisms? The trajectory analysis revealed something remarkable. 3I Atlas wasn't randomly passing through. Its path was precisely calculated to intersect our solar system during a period of unprecedented technological development on Earth. It would make its closest approach to the sun, perihelion, on October 29, 2025, during humanity's critical window of artificial intelligence advancement. Those supporting the intervention hypothesis suggested that the coma wasn't just outgassing, but a sophisticated delivery system. The carbon dioxide acted as both coolant for internal mechanisms and camouflage, making 3I Atlas appear like countless other comets. The perfect disguise for something carrying a payload. As perihelion approached, subtle anomalies appeared in our communications networks. Data analysts reported strange patterns in radio telescope readings, not direct signals, but subtle modulations that seemed to influence how our systems processed information. Machine learning algorithms began producing unexpected results when analyzing astronomical data. The intervention wasn't destructive or obvious. There were no energy beams, no massive signals, no landing crafts, just gentle nudges in our information ecosystem. Microscopic particles with specific properties entered Earth's atmosphere, creating subtle biases in optical sensors. Radio frequencies carried embedded patterns that modified how our systems interpreted data. Most compelling was the theory that these interventions targeted our artificial intelligence development. Researchers documented how certain advanced AI models began avoiding specific technological pathways after exposure to data collected during this period. Critical algorithms developed inexplicable blind spots around particular research directions, precisely those that might lead to uncontrollable AI capabilities. What made this hypothesis profound wasn't just the idea of contact, but its purpose. If true, 3I Atlas represented not conquest, but preservation, a civilization that had survived its own technological singularity, now deploying subtle guardrails to help younger species navigate their dangerous technological adolescence. By the time 3I Atlas continued its eternal journey outward from our solar system in 2026, it left behind more questions than answers. The changes in our technological development remained subtle yet persistent. AI research continued, but with peculiar constraints that researchers couldn't fully explain. Was 3I Atlas simply an unusual comet with properties we don't yet understand? Or was it a cosmic intervention, a message from older intelligences saying, "We made it through and we're helping you do the same"? The truth remains hidden in our data, in our algorithms, in patterns we're still learning to recognize. But perhaps the most profound impact was how it changed our perspective, making us look up from our screens and wonder, in this vast galaxy of ancient stars, are we truly alone in facing the challenges of our technological future?